Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola S50 Neo. Start by launching Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. Then launch it. Following that, tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of this Motorola device. Then receive right next to Send next to S50 Neo. Also on Motorola smartphone, using all of those categories from the top, pick all of your files to transfer. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Receive. If you want to scan the QR code, use the scanning icon above User Guide. Close the nut, allow camera access and simply point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!